Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and today I'm going to show you how some of the new digitals that are in my shop. So just a second, let me pull up my chair. So there are two new digitals, but there will be some more. They are very simple digitals, like for your collage projects or when you're making some ephemera booklet, mini ephemera sort of thing. So I have this vintage mini ephemera. So this is kind of what you get on a sheet. So these are original vintage ephemera that I have in my stash, and I have just scanned them, and you get a ton. I think 25 of these. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, around 25. So there's one sheet of this. So there's no zip file, nothing. So you can easily just, you can easily download them. And another kit, I will also show you several projects that I'm working on whereby I'm going to use these, and you can see how they will jazz up your projects. Also, I have another new printable that is a PDF of some of the words that I have used. I think this is the second. Yeah, so this is the first page. You will get 3 pages of words. There is a repetition of words, like the first I think there are double of each word. So if it's blessings over here, then you'll get another blessings in over here. So you can just tear them up, use them in your projects. So this comes in a PDF file, which is again very easy for you to download, and you have a ton of words, as you can see. And it's also you can just cut them up and use them as you like. So this is blessings, happy, motivation, timeless, mindful, joyful, joy, worthy, journals, grateful. As these are the words that we often use, and I'm a big a lover of words. I try to put them somewhere or the other whenever I can, whenever my projects allow. So I have used those. So this is very nice thing, and I'll show you how I have used them also. I have used them in 1 or 2 of my projects that I'm working on, but I've been using them more. So here you can see I have used this word worthy. So you can use them, and again I have used another one probably somewhere. I'll show you. So no, I have not used any, but I'm planning on using some. So these are some envelopes that I have done. There's a tutorial or process video coming very soon. I'm sorry, my internet was not working, so I could not upload. There was lots of issues going on. And another mini ephemera pack that is coming tonight. Like when you see this video, it's going to be listed. It is just a sheet of tiny ephemera. So this is the sheet that you're going to get. Okay, so you have a vintage photo of a tiny girl. Then you have some florals, some tickets, some florals, again some 4 stamps. These images are also from my digitals that I already have, and some fussy cut birds and butterflies, then some stamp, again some labels. So you get a ton of things that you can use in your, these are great as stash builders. You can easily build up your stash instead of buying a ton of things. You can just use them. Like you have 2 tickets, you can always print them number of times. You have stamps, again 1 stamp over here, then different sizes of stamps. Like this one is a little bit bigger. I will be doing projects with these, and these ones are a little bit smaller. This one is the smallest, and this is a little bit smaller than that. Then there is a small tag. This is a bird fussy cut. then some florals. This is the bigger one, this is a smaller one. This is again a vintage stamp. Then here you can see some flowers, so you can do a collage project, you know, using some flowers over here and then layering things up. Here are two butterflies, so that's going to be also listed, so you can see. These are just ephemera, mini ephemera, you know, embellishment sheets, you can say, mini embellishment sheets, because they simply help you to build up your stash. So that's one. And another one is these fussy cut summer florals. So this is also going to come, but not right away. This is going to take a little bit of time. So let me move everything aside. I have been working on these. Okay. So you will have this kit as well as the ephemera, mini vintage ephemera kit, as well as the words right away in my shop when you see this video. Other kits are also coming along the way, because I have removed all the physical items from my shop for now. Shipping from India is closed for a while. So until the situation improves, I will not be able to do any kind of shipping. So that's one of the reasons why I have removed the digital physical items from my shop. Only the digital items are available. So these are I think these are very affordable. You get 3 sheets of these words, and you can use them. If you print them once, you can use them, I don't know, for a very long time probably. So that's one kit, and the other one is mini ephemera kit that you are going to get. And I love how this turned out. Very vibrant, very, very colorful. And if you have a laser printer, it can print nicely. Even if you don't have a laser printer, I can, just a minute, something fell down. I'm sorry. Even if because I have not printed this on laser printer. This is just an inkjet printer that I have, and they came out so nicely. So even if you don't have a laser printer, that's okay, that's fine. It will get the job done. This is also printed on inkjet printer, and you can see how beautiful it looks. So now for me, what I'll do is I'll just trim these off, and then I'm going to be using them in several projects, and I'll be showing you how you can maximize these, and you can use them in different ways, not only as, you know, as words right away. You can layer them with different things. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm pretty happy with the way these 2 kits have turned out, and this one is also pretty nice, and you get a ton of options basically, because personally what I feel is, when I'm working on a single project, a tiny one, I want all my ephemera in one place, and that makes the job so much easier. Like if you're working on a envelope or a trifold like this, then you can simply snip off some items from here and decorate this. This is also great for pen pal letters and sending stuff. So you can use them, and you can use some words also over here, and that's it. So this is going to be also available in my shop, so please go and check. I'll put a link to all these kits below, as well as my shop. So if you're interested, you can go and visit and check whether you like it or not. So that's it for now, and I'll be back to do some tutorials and process videos using these. Okay, so bye everybody, have a great day and stay safe.